Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandrine. Hi. In today's video, I'm gonna try to recreate the the trash bag dress. I have some trash bag from the dollar store that Amber Shaw created a while back. I thought it was cute. So I got some trash bags. And I got this shapewear thingy. And what else? Oh, I got some tape because this only reach I think like above my knee, but I want the trash bag dress to go over like a big poofy dress. So I'm gonna use the duct tape. It will make better sense once I start showing you guys. But if you like this video, just keep watching.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Okay, so here's all the roses. Some of them looks good, some of them not so well, but who cares? I try my best. I have my E60 glue, so I'm just gonna start gluing them on to see how it's looking so far. Yeah.
Still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.